Hi, how are you, grade 2? I hope you're fine. I've missed you so much. As for our weekly plan, we will take our math lesson from pages 752 and 753. And as you remember, we spoke in the previous lesson about, yes, we spoke about shapes. As you see, we took triangle and we said it has 3 sides and 3 angles. We spoke about the quadrilateral shapes and we said any shape that has 4 sides, I can call it quadrilateral. That's why I have rectangle, square, parallelogram, trapezoid. All of these shapes I can call them quadrilateral because they have 4 sides. And here I have 4 sides and 4 angles. We spoke about pentagon and we said also pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Sure, if it has 5 sides, it will be 5 angles. It has 3 sides, it will have 3 angles, and so on. We spoke about hexagon. It has 2 lines paralleled like this, and it has 6 sides and 6 angles. And also we spoke about circle and we said that it has no sides and no angles. Okay, concerning our lesson, here we have practice the strategy. Marcy drew a shape. It has 5 sides, it has 5 angles. So what shape did she draw? Let's remember which shape has 5 angles and 5 sides. Let's remember. What do you think? Yes, it will be hexagon. But before writing our answer, you know that there are steps that you have to follow in order to answer this problem solving. The first step that you have to understand how by underlining what's given for you. He said here, draw a shape. It has 5 sides, 5 angles. And you have to circle what you need to know. We have to circle this, what we need to know. After that, you have to plan how you will solve it. Here, you will solve it how. So our answer will be hexagon, and that's how we draw it. Here, he said here that it has 6 sides and 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 angles. And as I told you before, these are the angles. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are my 6 angles. Concerning page 753, here we have number 1. If a shape has 3 sides and 3 angles, so what is it? We have only one shape that has 3 sides and 3 angles, which is, yes, triangle. As for number 2, here we have Abby draws a triangle. Samuel draws a shape that has one more side than a triangle. So it means that it has 4. So what shape did Samuel draw? What do you think? Which shape has 4 sides? Because here he said it has one more side than triangle. And triangle, we know that it has 3 sides. So it will be a shape that has 4 sides. So we can say that any quadrilateral shape, I can draw it here and it will be my answer. So I can draw a square, I can draw rectangle, I can draw trapezoid, I can draw parallelogram. Any quadrilateral shape will be right. As for number 3, here we have Jason drew a shape that has more sides than a triangle or rectangle. More than triangle and more than rectangle. It means that it's more than 4. But less angles than hexagon. So what shape did he draw? So it's not 4 sides, 4 angles, and it's not 6 sides, and it's not 6 angles as we know in the hexagon. So what shape did he draw? So sure, this shape has how many sides? If it's not 4, not 6. Yes, good job. 5 sides. So it's 5 sides, so it will be 5 angles. Yes, very good. So I think you started to know the shape. What is it? What is it? What is it? Yes, it's pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and 5 angles. This is our shape. This was for page 753. Thank you. As for pages 757 and 758, let's start them. Here we have complete each sentence, and here we have highlighted words like angle, side, hexagon, triangle, pentagon, and two-dimensional shape. Let's see number 1. Here we have a what has 5 sides and 5 angles. What do you think? Which shape? Let's choose which one. Yes, pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Number 2. A what has 3 sides and 3 angles, which is very easy for us. We have only one shape that has 3 sides and 3 angles, which is triangle. Number 3. A what has 6 sides and 6 angles. What is it? 6 sides and 6 angles? Yes, it's hexagon. Good job. Here we need to circle the shape or shapes, so it means that you can choose 1 or 2 that match the name. Triangle. Where triangle? Yes, here we have. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Number 5 here, pentagon. How many pentagon shapes here do we have? Yes, it's only 1. Number 6 here we have hexagon. How many hexagons do we have? This is a hexagon? Yes. This is a hexagon? No, it's a circle. This? No. This? Yes. So now we have 2 hexagons. Quadrilateral, and we said quadrilateral, any 4 sides shape. This one, it's not quadrilateral, it has only 3 sides. This one, yes, 4 sides. This one, yes, 4 sides. This one, yes, 4 sides. Okay, let's turn the page. Page 758. Here we need to write the name of the shape and circle the shape. Okay, what do you think here? What's this shape? What do we call this? What is it? Yes, very good. It's pentagon, and we will circle these 2 pentagon. As for number 9, what is this? Yes, this is rectangle, and we will circle these 2 shapes. It's very easy. What is this? Who can tell me what is shape? Yes, good job. This is trapezoid. Excellent. Let's have a look here at number 10. How many sides and how many angles? Look at the shape in front of us now. How many sides? Yes, if you count, you will find that there are 6 sides and 6 angles. Here, the rectangle, we have 4 sides, 4 angles. And as I showed you before, that's how you can know the angles. You count like this. 1, this, the point between 2 lines when they meet together. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Concerning 12, yes, this is our pentagon, 5 sides and 5 angles. And here number 13, yeah, this is our trapezoid, and I have 4 sides and 4 angles. Here in number 14, we need to look at the shapes and mark the shape that doesn't belong. We need to mark only the shape that doesn't belong. Look here. Here we have square, triangle, rectangle, and square. Which one that doesn't belong? What does he mean here? He means that here I have 3 shapes that are quadrilateral shapes, which means 4 sides shapes. So the only one that doesn't fit here or doesn't belong is our triangle. That's why we will mark. That was for page 758. Thank you. Let's see pages 760, 761, and 762. We have a 3-dimensional shape. Is a shape with length, width, and height. It's a shape that you can hold it in front of you in your hand, and you can find it at home in your daily life. The first one we have is sphere. After that we have cube. Then we have pyramid, 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 pyramid. You see? Pyramid. Cone, 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 cone. Cylinder, 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 cylinder. Rectangular prism, rectangular prism, rectangular prism. Write the name of the shape and circle the objects that are the same shape. What can you see here? What is this? Yes, this is rectangular prism. So which shape here is a rectangular prism? Yes, I have two. This box of tissues, yes, and the cereal also here. What is this? Yes, it's, yes, cone. This is a cone for the ice cream, and this is a cone. So if you have a look at all these shapes, all of these are objects that you can find in your daily life. And these shapes, we call them three-dimensional shapes. It's very easy to find different shapes or different three-dimensional shapes at home, because I told you that all of these you can find in your daily life. Let's see and discover. For example, what is this? Yes, good job. This is a ball. Yes, very good. But this ball has a shape of sphere. Sphere. Okay. Let's have a look here. What is this? That we can wear it on birthday. Yes, it's a party hat. Okay, which you can wear it in birthdays, a party hat. Okay, concerning this, what is this? This has a shape of rectangle, yes, from here outside, but all of this as a three-dimensional shape, we call it rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. Not only this has rectangular prism, if we have a look here, our juice, it has the same shape of rectangular prism. Not only the juice, this small cake also, what's its shape? Yes, rectangular prism. And this box also, what's its shape? Yes, rectangular prism. So let's see each shape with its name. Here we have sphere, sphere, cone, cone, pyramid, pyramid, cylinder, cylinder, cube, cube, big one and small one, cube. We have lots of examples for rectangular prism, rectangular prism, rectangular prism, rectangular prism. Lots of examples. Rectangular prism. This also, and this rectangular prism, rectangular prism. So the more you practice at home, the more you'll understand the three-dimensional shapes. Thank you very much. As for page 761, write the name of the shape, circle the object that are the same shape. Number 3, what is the shape? Yes, it's sphere, and we will circle sphere. Okay, what is this? Yes, I can hear you. Rectangular prism. Which shape here is a rectangular prism? Yes, good job. This one. This is a cube and this is sphere. Here, what is this? Yes, it's my pyramid. Okay. So you will write pyramid and you will circle, yes, pyramid. This is sphere and this is cylinder. You will circle only this. What is this shape? Good job. It's cube. Okay, cube. This cube. And we will circle. Yes, this is a cube. This is a cube. And this is a cube. We will circle the 3. Good job. Number 7, what is this? Yes, it's cone. So we will write cone and we need to circle. Yes, this party hat. Yes, it has the shape of a cone. This one, no. Yes, and this also. So we will circle both of them. As for page 762, here we have number 8. Jen is wrapping a present that is in a box. The box is square on all sides. So what shape is the box Jen is wrapping? If all the sides has a shape of square, so what's my 3-dimensional shape? Yes, good job, cube. As for number 9, on a 3-dimensional shape, I have a circle at the bottom. I have a point at the top. What shape am I? So it's a shape, it's very easy. Has a circle at the bottom, a point at the top, and you can wear it on the birthdays. Yes, what is it? Good job, it will be cone. Let's have a look here at number 10. If you stack 2 cubes together, what 3-dimensional shape will you make? Here he wants you to stack 2 cubes together. 1 cube and 1 cube. If you put them together, so what the shape you will have? Yes, I want you to think. Yes, excellent. It will be a rectangular prism. Okay, like this rectangular prism. If you have a look here, if I divided my rectangular prism twice, you will find that here I have box, which is a cube, and here I have cube. So the rectangular prism, it can divide it into 2 cubes. So if I put 2 together, it will be rectangular prism. Okay. Here, how can you tell if a shape is 3-dimensional shape? The 3-dimensional shape, as I told you, you can hold it like this. Okay, in your hand, you can hold it. This is the 3-dimensional shape. You can hold it, okay? So, it will not be a flat shape, and you can hold it like this, as you see. It will have length, width, height. Okay, so it's easy to find all of this. But we spoke before about the 2-dimensional shape. We said that it has only length and width. But the 3-dimensional shape, it has 3. It has length, it has width, and it has height. Okay, this was for page 762. Thank you very much.